Yeah, morning guys. Quick look at the markets here. Uh, Looks like we are off to the races. We discussed this last night. Our eyes are here. It's all we're looking at for now. The next level would be here, and it would still maintain the longer term um, uh, bullish model. So what have we got from here now? We do have a local change. It's here to here. That distance. However, this is longer. So we do have a momentum shift. We knew about this up here, but this is what we're seeing here. Um, so hang on. So we got a new fractal here, and everything's green. So um, boom. So yeah, pull back to here, and then further down or something. I suppose. Um, that would be somewhere in here. And this would all still maintain itself uh, from a local perspective. Um, we're trying to get up here next. But what we'll do for now, hang on, let's look at the exotics real quick. So last night we saw at this point dollar was weaker than euro and pound. Um, and here we saw the same thing. Dollar dropped, euro was sideways, and pound was up, confirming this US dollar weakness. Um, so yeah, for now, what we'll do is we'll offload the lower level shorts as always. Okay, that looks good. All right, so now we're good. I'm happy with that. Um, Really, it's just a case of seeing here what's going to happen. Um, maybe a maybe a pullback to here, then down to here, then up, something like that. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Um, but we'd have to see if this local level, how we'll know whether this happens, right? So if we come here and we drop, and then we come back and we drop, and we come back and we start coming above, and the other ones are above the level, then it's and then the exotics, then they're going to tell us whether the dollar continues down or goes up, because we're at the kind of middle now. Um, so I think we're going to wait for that. Let's take a look how the our statement there has done over since Friday. We're going back really, I think, to yeah. Well, I mean, we'll start this now with Friday, because we ended last week's. We did basically Sunday to Friday, so we'll do the same again. But it was in the morning, so we kind of have to include Friday. Uh, to today. And then we got a nice little bonus on the weekend with the crypto trades. All right, here it is. And then one more thing I wanted to show you after this. All right, consecutive wins 35, consecutive losses 0. We're at short positions won 100% and long positions won 100%. So it looks like we have leveled up, folks. It looks like we now have permission to use more lot sizes. So we're going to do that. We'll increase on the next set of trades to $12 a point. I'd be happy to do that, and we'll do that once the existing trades are closed. I think, yeah, that's technically what we should do, but we don't like to go with technically, so maybe we won't do that. Anyway, the other video information I wanted to show you, our friend over here is discussing the fact that pound and euro have priced in their rate height expectancy numbers. So what he's doing there is he's telling us that he's selling us the idea that this is coming to the end, and the case for the euro as well. I believe euro is at parity, is it? Let's look there quickly. Hang on. All right. Hang on. Where are we here? Euro made it to parity. Yeah, right. So people think that's the bottom here, guys. So this is a facade, obviously. We do know our numbers are still long on the higher time perspective, plus the monthlies. They're on another chart, but you guys have the details for those. You can check those. And you'll see that ultimately dollar is still the strongest currency. So question is, do we, well, what we're going to do is we're going to do exactly what we said we're going to do, continue on this direction, going selling dollar until this part changes. If this part changes, then we'll reverse, we'll take out the high, and then we'll come down and do this. So we've got two options basically. Here's option one. Okay, like this. And option two is just a grind lower with maybe a bit of sideways in to then up, something like that. Yeah, it's not going to go. Here's what's not going to happen, okay? This is not going to happen. That I don't believe this will happen. So we're going to draw a big cross in that to say we don't believe that that's going to happen. But we are open-minded for it to happen, and the market will tell us if that's going to happen close to the time. But this would be my first and preferred option, that one. So yeah, anyway guys, that's the video. I'll catch you later. Cheers.